Oh. Breakfast of champions. Breakfast of champions. Don't let anybody ever tell you something different, okay? What better way to start the day, right? All right, let's fucking get into this. Gonna do the review of yesterday. I don't even know what yesterday was. Today's the 30th, so yesterday the 29th of August. Gonna do a trade setup review. And I think we should start with yesterday's Asia session, okay? Okay, so let's see here. Okay. So I marked out a few, and I'll run you through the setups here for what would have transpired should you follow the SBT model. You know, what's going on here? Where I lost my price? Lost my price. Oh, come on. Burn it. Okay, there we are. Okay, I want to go there. Come on. Sorry, stand by. Technical difficulties here. Okay. I'm drilling down to the 15-second chart. Here we go. So this was yesterday's Asia session. Let's see if any of the SBT models transpired. I'm not sure how my audio is. Yeah? You hear me okay? Okay, good. Okay. So here's yesterday. You see it? The blue. Got a drop on the open. That's not a retracement. Okay, that's going sideways. I mean, you could put the tool on it, but I don't. Yeah. Okay, so that's technically a setup. That could have been a failed setup. Let's see what happens. The price came down, made a low into the support ribbon, which I like. Came back up, closed above the 25% retracement. Got above the EMA as well. Okay, you're in there, stop there. But it didn't fulfill it, just kept going sideways. Didn't even hit the 50. It might be a failed signal. It hit the 50. Okay, winner, chicken dinner. So if you held your stops, okay, you would have taken some heat. It's trading, okay? Sorry about that. If it was easy, everybody would be fucking doing it. So you would have taken some heat. You wouldn't have got stopped out. So you didn't take your TP1, so there's no reason to have moved your stop, right? So stop should still be where it is. This trade needed time to play out, okay? But as you can see, it did in fact wick your 50% retracement. So it's a small scalp. I mean, 96 to 502, 6 points. You would have to wait a long time for those 6 points. No, it got you more. You got your meat and potatoes. Lovely. This is what I want. So you got in at the 25%, and I exit at the 75, right? That's my meat and potatoes. Now that's decent. That's 10, 13, 14 point scalp. Beautiful, lovely scalp. So that's a winner, okay? That transpired, that worked, okay? That's nice. So let's keep the running total, hey? So we can add it up like we did before, right? So we'll call that one 13 points. Okay, that was a 13 pointer. I'll take it. That's base hit, people. Compound, okay? You just need a few of those a day. That's all you need. I promise you. Continuing on. Okay, there we go. Now we got a move happening. Look at that. Did it fit the criteria? Let's see. Put the measurement retracement tool on it. Okay, this one would have been a bit tricky to get in. The EMA is a bit higher than I'd like it. Okay, so what do I mean by that? I mean, look at where the EMA is just, you know, it's just below the 50% mark between your entry and TP1. So it's not, you know, it wicked it up here, wicked it up. You know, if you would have got in there at the 25%, it's more of a higher risk. So maybe you went in light size if you were really feeling bullish about this move. Or you got in here once it closed above the EMA and you held to the 75. So you wouldn't have gotten, you know, how many points? 25, 92. So that's not bad. That's, you know, it's only 3 points away from the entry, ideal entry. And if you held it, that's a beautiful trade. Look at the 75 got hit. 75 got hit again. You know, your stop there, or even your stop there, you took no drawdown. None. Big fat fucking zero. Come on. Look at that. I would have been out of the 75. But it hit the 100. It hit the 100% retracement, people. Are you fucking seeing this? Look at. Look at. And look, if you booked your profit, take profit at the 50, you take profit at the 75, your stops goes to break even. It didn't even come back down to the 50. So I mean that's a winner. That's a winner. How many points? So I got in at 92. I would have got out at 504. Then 12 points. That's a 12-pointer. So we just had a 13-point winner, and now we got a 12-point winner. 25 points. First two trades of Asia, both winners. Do you see why this model's fucking like gold? The first two setups of the Asia session gave you two winners back to back, total of 25 points. Fuck me, you know, come on. This is juicy. This is a juicy fucking, it's so juicy. It's just meh. It's meh, you know? Okay, hold on, get rid of that. I need some, my glaucoma is acting up again. It's from my nerves and my eyes. Right. That's better. Okay, so yeah, I mean, and if you left the runner in, boom. Why would you leave a runner in? Look. This resistance level, the purple bands, I keep telling you, it likes to smoke that. It has to test it. You know, look. You cannot see, it wants to see. It's shooting for that. That's your target for the runner anyways. That's where I would have exited stage left if I had a runner. Look at this. Okay, these setups these are the tricky ones, but they're nice. It's kind of like a slow motion play out for the downside. See? Look how it's tricky, hey? Get rid of that. So basically, you put the measurement tool on and you just keep bringing it down, and the market's thinking, oh, it thinks I'm dropping, everybody's okay. This is fucking A+, this is textbook, look. Look at that. Oh, that's so nice. Look. You have a little baby double bottom, boop, 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 into the support ribbon, which I like, okay. You're already in the support ribbon, the purple one here, okay. So you gave it a chance to muck around in there a bit. So it's like it's all warm and happy and feeling cozy, you know. So what's it gonna do after that? Well, it's gonna either break down or fucking pop out of it. And it decides to pop out. But look at that signal that it's given. Oh, the EMA is just, and then there, just dips below the 25% retracement. That's what you want. And then it slowly closes above both of them at the same time. Fucking bet the bus on that. fucking mortgage a house, take out your line of credit, fucking sell your grandma to the noodle. Fucking to the noodle, okay? Fucking full port, max contracts, fucking all on black. Purple, sorry. Fucking go in. That's a strong signal. No, don't go all in, but go in heavy, okay? Because that's a A plus fucking setup. And it just ran straight the fuck up to your TP1 at the 50% retracement. Boom, in the profit. Your stop was there before, now your stop's at break even. You're in a risk-free fucking trade, and it runs straight up to your 75% target. Meat. There's my meat. That's all I want, people. That's 3 in a fucking row for my meat. How much is that? 98.75, 512. Jesus. 12. Another 13 points. Fuck around. Another 13-point winner. That's just me going for the meat in the middle. That's not capturing the entire retracement, people. Okay? I'm adding up the points for what my actual profit target would have been for the meat. Okay? The meat in the middle. That's what I like. This is getting silly. This is getting fucking silly. Look. Okay, winner, chicken dinner. Another one's forming. Look. Okay. So these ones, they're like slow motion type retracements, you know? You have to just keep bringing it down. You have to watch. Okay, that would have been tricky right there. That could have sucked you in, right? And you would have got profit. I'm not going to count this one, but it would have worked. You know, the range is only 5 points, but you would have got a 5 point. If you got in, you got out, and you moved your stop to break even, that would have been a 5 point winner. No drawdown. Okay, but you bring it down. Now. So what do I keep saying? A++? If there's an A++ model, is when there's a failed setup, like failed, I mean it can't get past the 50, right? That the 75 doesn't even get tagged. To me, that's a failed SBT model. If there's a failed model, the next one that presents right after that, fucking hammer it. Hammer it, okay? Because that's the one. That's the one. Except in this location. Shit. Okay, so setup presented again. Breach the 50. Your TP at the 50 is out. Where are you? Yeah, you got in here, right? Perfect, beautiful entry. But it teased you at your 50. Well, you should have got out. I mean, if you front run it a little bit. But the 75, it teased you, and then it fucking sold off. So this, you would have to been paying attention, and you would have had to whoop, eject button right here. When you got that big black boner down candle, that's telling you something has changed, okay? The fact that it couldn't even reach the 75% level, right? So basically it wasn't bullish enough to reach that level. And then the big black boner candle down, that's telling you to get out, okay? So get out at all costs. You know, protect what other profit you have or reduce your risk. But that one, you would have, would you captured points? You got in at the 25, you got out of the 50. Yeah, that's a 5 point. So 5 points. I'm taking the 5 points. Following the model, you would have had the fucking 5 points, okay? 75 wouldn't have got hit, so you would have had to stop yourself out for break even or slight profit. Right, let's move to the next, shall we? 4 winners. 20, Jesus Christ, 30, what are we up? 40 fucking points already? Continuing down. Look at this move. Right. Put the measurement tool on. Boom. Boom. Bring it down. Now wait for that double tap. Well, you wouldn't even have to wait because it didn't even do the entry, right? So there was no entry signal given here. It kind of tried to wick up didn't close above, and the EMA is still coming down. Like I always say, give it time to fucking bottom out. Right? It needs time to settle down. See, just give it some time. It just needs to play out a bit. It needs to chill out. You know, smoke a fucking joint. Marker, turn the marker off. Okay, so you bring it down to the body, right? I like to use the bodies. And then you watch. So like once you start seeing that happen, you know, and it's holding, you know, this was just pure manipulation. That's a fucking fake out. So that just sucked in. There's people here waiting to go short. Okay, so they jumped in, and then the market fucking reversed. That's good too. When you see that, like a fake out, and then when you see that candle closing above the EMA, that's telling you manipulation completed, and fucking go long, because it's sucked in more shorts, and boom, look at that. Look at how that plays out. Right away, just straight run up to your TP1. Your TP1 gets hit. TP1 gets hit and stops to break even. And then what happens? Stops to break even. Yeah, your TP2 gets fucking smoked. Look. And then you wouldn't have been stopped out. Your stops break even. It came down, you took a bit of heat, big deal, and then boom! And then when you see, after a failed one, you know, that little, no, that wasn't a failed one, it wasn't a signal. Was it? Yeah, right there. Right there, that was a failed one. And then it fucking took off. Man, and that runner, you would have captured another 20 points or so. You know, Jesus. Okay, so I'm going for my meat, right? Let's add up the meat. From the 75 to the 25. That's the meat. The 25 to the 75. That's what I want. From the 506, that's a 10 points. Okay, I'm going for a 10. Calling that a tenner. 10 points. Beautiful scalp. Beautiful scalp. And what else? My seat keeps fucking dropping. What else do we got here? Okay, moving on. Jesus, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winners already in a row. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Is that a move? I don't know. If that's a move, that's a big one. So that's like a downtrend now. Yeah, okay. So you wouldn't be doing anything here except going short. Yeah. Boom. Look at that move. Okay, so for this, what I would try to do is you would have started with the high up there, but then as it keeps dropping, you bring it down to the next relative high, okay? Why do you want to do that? Because that has a higher odds of getting filled 100% retracement. Each of the levels has a higher odds because it's a smaller range now, right? If I was to use the first high, it's a larger overall range, so each section is larger. So it's a smaller overall range, so hence each quarter section that is my TPs is smaller. So more odds of it being hit on a retracement. This is A+. Look. Okay, it's bottomed out in the support ribbon. This blue line's also a previous Asia low. Or sorry, that is the Asia low that it just made, so disregard that. But then look, the EMA is below the 25% retracement line, and price bullishly closes above both of them at the same time. That's textbook. Textbook, A+. A+. And it goes straight up to your TP1, your 50% gets hit. And then straight up to 75, your TP2 gets hit. You know, no drawdown. And then straight up to fucking TP3. TP3 gets hit. No fucking drawdown. People. You see this? Do you fucking see this? Fuck. And look at the size of this move. Oh, this is a juicy, juicy move. Look, look. So I got in at the 25. I'm getting out at the 75. I'm just going for the meat. Okay, I'm not being fucking greedy like the rest of you fucking cunts. I'm going for the 100% retracements. But good for you. Good for you. That's what I like to see. That's how you trade. Right. 20 points. 18 points? 18 points. That's an 18-point move. My meat move. The meat move. The meat in the middle move. 18-point scalp. Yeah. Okay. So, that's all I want. Why? Because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 winning trades, and that's all I went for was the meat in the middle. So why do I gotta go for anything more? Why? Just, you only need a few of those a day, man, you know? This is nuts. This is fucking nuts. Continuing on, because I know there's more. I know there's more winners, man. 100%. 100%. Like, look. You can even do micro fucking SBT models. Look. Okay. The trend is up, right? So you got your high, price comes down, makes a low. Look at EMA gets above, okay? Your stop is there. You wouldn't have got stopped out. TP1 gets hit, TP2, TP3, and if you had a runner in, it just keeps going. You see, these micro ones are quite powerful. Why? Because they ensure that you're on the right side of the market, okay? That you're not trying to fucking go short when it's a long, and you're not trying to go long when it's a short, you know? I'm taking this. I'm taking these fucking points. This is a beautiful little setup. Got in at the 25, and I'm just going for my meat, getting out of the 75, okay? 75 is 87, 83, almost 6 points. I'll put it down as 5. Little 5-pointer, compound hit, boom. Thank you very much, Mr. Market. Thank you very much. I'm waiting for the next setup. And the next setup comes right fucking after it. Another micro move. You see? But this one, I don't like. I don't like it. Why? I don't like when the EMA is too far away from the... I mean, it's in this instance, you can interpret this as being ultra bullish because the market started shooting up before the EMA even came down to the 25% retracement. So you want to go in, take a risk, smaller size, go ahead, because it was a winner, winner, chicken dinner, 100% retracement, motherfuckers. That's a 10-point full retracement. I'm not going to add that one up for my meat scalps. Don't really care for it. I don't really like that entry. So I'm moving on. But man, look, if you would have had a runner in that one, fuck. Boom. Just took off. Look, see? If you would have had a runner, you could have captured that. The thing about a runner is you gotta let it fucking run, right? It's hard to let it run for me because it's like, I don't want to give back the profits because I'm a greedy bastard. Here, once again, look. Okay, this, I've seen this play out many times, but I don't trade it because it is, for me, it is uncertain still because price is in this range here, right? And it's not certain what it could do. It could have very easily just broke down and continued selling off. And like I said, the EMA didn't, if it was below there, okay, I would have been all over this. I would have been jumping in all over this, you know. So it is higher risk, but the same principles apply. If it's closing above the 50 and the EMA, you have to interpret that as bullish, okay? And you could even say ultra bullish because it didn't even get back to the 25% retracement. So yeah, you could have went in light and so that you know less risk if it goes against you. But it didn't. And look at what you would have fucking captured. Holy shit. Just fucking boners to the moon. See? Look. Nah. How many times has I said that's your target? It loves to tag it. Just pokes up there, tags it, you know? Get out of here. Man, that would have been exit for the runner. Look at that. Okay, so that's Asia session completed yesterday. I think you get the gist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 winning trades, okay? Profitable, okay? Let me count the points, may I? Oh my God, third one, add, oh, you're lovely, add you, oh, you have a brother just like you, add a 5, oh my God, add a 10, add a 18, add a 5, holy shit. This scalping model, not swing trade, scalping, delivered 76 points for the Asia session. 76 points, fucking scalping, people. Fucking scalping, that's mental. You can't tell me that's not just fucking sick. It's not a swing trading model. It's not a breakout model. It's a scalping model where I'm just going for little chunks. Little meat chunks. 76 fucking points? Jesus! Okay, let's just say that you were swinging one contract. That's fucking $3,000. What the fuck? On one fucking mini contract. Okay? $3,000 across 20 Apex accounts. It's $60,000, motherfuckers, on one contract. Jesus! You see? You see the power of fucking futures and scalping? Minimal risk. Why is it minimal risk? Because you fucking jump in and you jump out and it's set. You know exactly what the risk is. You know your profit. You know when to get out. There's not no humming and hawing and no. There's your stop right there, clearly defined. $60,000 if you would have had one contract across 20 accounts. Fuck, man, you need to learn this model, people. Okay, I'm telling you. I don't know if I should delete all these videos, man. Honestly, I don't know why I shouldn't be giving this shit away, man. I should just be exploiting the fuck out of it, you know. Okay. Anyways, till the next one. If you like this, like and subscribe. You better, after what I just showed you today. So like and subscribe and watch all my videos. Okay. Laters.